Any topic you want to choose, we show you. Any topic you want to talk about. Any topic. Let me show you me good. Any topic you want to choose a topic. Any labor right you want to debate with, choose a labor right from the comment section. I will take up the labor right and it told you can get 5 minutes or 10 minutes to duke it out. I don't mind. All right. See me and come, guys. See me and come now. Why all right. Good evening, Comrade Excellence.
Good evening, ma'am. If you want to debate, you have to bring a receipt. I am not going to do with you any opinion.
All right, no problem.
You need to bring your facts, anything you're going to state.
No problem. You want to debate with me or you want to choose one labor right in the comment section?
You are the best among them. You are the best among the worst.
All right, so what is the topic?
Go ahead, ma'am.
You can choose. You want to choose
a topic? Talk about healthcare? You want to talk about what you want to talk about? Development?
You want to, anything you choose?
No, man. It's because
you want to talk about corruption? You want to talk about healthcare, development, anything? Anyone? Go on. So let's talk about anything you want to. So let's talk about corruption.
No, man. Somebody say healthcare. So I wish.
All right, healthcare. No problem.
No, even better. Let us talk about the accomplishments of Andrew Michael Nunes versus that of PG. Let's start from there.
Just for
starters.
No problem.
Go ahead, ma'am.
Andrew Michael Nunes is the prime minister, and under his government, we moved Jamaica from a sinking ship to a floating, beautiful boat on the Indian Ocean. And here's why I say that. When Andrew Nunes came in 2016, every single infrastructure in this country was on life support.
We need facts, you know.
Yeah, let me talk. Let's talk about education.
We're talking opinion. Give me the facts.
Oh, Jesus. Let's talk about education. When Andrew Nunes come in, more than 80% of the schools in rural areas still use spit toilet under PNP. Some of them, especially the ones in East Rural St. Andrew, no running water. Make know that for a fact.
Where are your facts?
Let's talk about education. Primary school children, no bench to sit on. Primary school children that leave school at 12 years old cannot read and write under PNP. So when you come to under PNP, under PJ Patterson Excellent, if you don't have no money, you can't send a picnic to school. Because teacher call you out of the line, put you at the front, and give a letter for your parents. It is Andrew Michael Nunes who come in a power and said, no child must be sent home from school.
All right, bring the facts to that. Bring the facts.
That is the fact.
No,
that is the fact. You see any picture? It's very clear. You see any picture gets sent out of school now?
Where is the data to show? No, bring the data.
No, man, this is very clear.
But I can't talk to you then.
Do you see any picnic get sent out of school?
No, I want you to show me the data.
Andrew Nunes changed the policy.
I can show you that.
Tell me what PJ do now.
I can show you how irrational the argument is.
Yes, go on.
When was school fee removed from schools?
Under Bruce Golding.
Under which Bruce?
Under Bruce
I never
Golding.
went to high school under Bruce and I didn't pay a school fee.
You go under Michael Manley, you go?
No. I
went to school. No. I
went to sixth form, I didn't pay a school fee. And I was in PG time.
Yeah, because you're PNP, you get the PNP
No.
paper.
No.
Because you get the cash sharing paper from the PNP.
No, I have never paid. No, stop. Unlike you, and you would have been a PNP then. The first time I ever paid school fee was when I was doing a master's degree. So don't think me I the same.
All right, so let me ask you a question. So you are telling me excellence. So when you go to school under the 18 years under PNP, and you never pay any school fee?
I said to you when I got to sixth form, I never paid school fee because.
No, listen to the question again. Did you go to school under post PJ?
I went to school
on
scholarship.
I'm not talking about sixth form. I am not speaking about sixth form. Here's a question.
I never paid a school fee until.
Under the 18 and a half years of PJ.
And you're going to listen to what I am saying to you.
No, I wanted to answer what I'm asking you. Did you go to school, high school under PJ? Yes or no?
Yes, madam, I did.
And you did not pay any school fee?
Not out of my pocket. I had a scholarship right through high school.
Okay, then you don't see how
And I'm saying
disingenuous?
to you, when I went to sixth form, they removed school fee when I went to sixth form.
You don't see how indeed that is like about the PNP.
When I went to sixth form, school fee was removed. At my
all right, so let me ask you a question, Excellence. What about the children that did not get any scholarship?
I said to you, at sixth form, my school, they removed
I am not talking about you. I'm talking about the overall.
You need to listen to the context. You said.
No, but you cannot talk about your
you're lying.
personal...
I said to you, when I was in high school, PJ was in charge, and I reached sixth form. School fee was removed.
But you listen to me
School
again.
fee was removed for everybody at sixth form.
No. School
when I went
fee,
to sixth form, people did not pay school fee at sixth form. They implemented what they call.
Excellence, this is nothing to lie about.
Why am I lying?
And the PJ, school fee was still in place.
Madam, you are lying.
That is excellence.
When I went to sixth form, they removed school fee and started what they call. They removed school fee and you got an optional. You got an optional auxiliary fee to pay. All right,
thank you very much. So when I went to school under Percival, school fee was still
well, perhaps so old. I don't know how old you are.
It was under Jamaica Labour Party and Bruce Golding when they come up with auxiliary and
that is not true.
PJ, all through PJ time school fee. You're lying.
No, madam.
You're lying.
Auxiliary fee, school fee was removed and they had auxiliary fee.
No, auxiliary fee was
optional.
Always there. Excellence.
Miss.
Auxiliary fee was always there when school fee was there. It was two different fees. You pay school fee, you pay auxiliary fee. When Bruce Golding came in, Bruce Golding said, no child must be turned away from school. And then the teacher them pivot now and said, now but I call it school fee again. They might call it auxiliary fee. Stop it.
No. When I went to sixth form, which was under PJ was just transiting to PJ was still here, yes, in his last reign. I paid auxiliary fee, not school fee.
PJ did not remove school fee. That is the first lie you tell.
No.
Nobody knows that story you're talking about.
You are tell.
Nobody knows that story you talk about.
Lie telling Munchi, who lie.
PJ Pattison did not remove no school fee from school. And the PNP, if your parents don't pay enough school fee, them call you at the front, them give you a letter, and them send it to go give your parents to come to pay the money. You have to come pay little. And the Percival Noel James Pattison. That is the fact.
Why are you so liable?
What again? How many schools did PJ take off of the shift system?
And let me finish. You talk about 80% of school at Pit Latrine. I dare you to bring that information to show us.
It's easy for you to find. Every single school. Every single school.
Why are you so stupid?
To this date, you ask me to tell you the information.
Bring me the data. Bring me the information.
I'm going to tell you the information. Excellence, allow me to tell you. In the rural areas, under Percival, there was no water in school. Every single bathroom had a drop booth under PJ Pattison. We are telling about to tell you data. It is what's happening. It is even to this excellence. Still I use pit toilet in Manchester.
And I'm asking you the question, Munchi. I said to you before I even talk, before I can have any discussion with you, I want you to put to me the data, the information.
I just give you the data. Very clear.
They give me
90% of the schools under Percival still using pit latrine with no running water, children drinking water from the tank, dirty water from the tank under Percival. Did you know that?
And I'm going to say to you again.
It is anti-Jamaican oldness government excellence that came in and disbanded drinking of tank water. Did you know that? And the Percival dirty tank water the children were drinking. Did you know that?
Boy,
yes, I know.
You are bitter and lying, you know.
Oh my God. Everything Miss you lie. Excellence,
where is the data?
Excellence, where you living? Where you living? Excellence?
In a world where I live in a world where data matters. Where is the data?
And that is the data. That is the data.
You are the data
that used to use the old iron tank that we can rust in the belly and say take those out of school, put in black tank, and the children can get fresh.
We are in a point where
what does the one know what tell me what again PJ do? What again?
Look at this beautiful thing here. Let's see if we show you your lie and don't show you your lie. This is how lie you are, Munchi. You are going to look at me and tell me that you're going to bring the data and the information and the receipt, the carbon receipt. On the
every receipt to you.
The amount of student to pass 5 CXC at any one sitting.
And a PJ make them pass. And a
PJ make them pass.
And then brain make them pass. It's not because of PJ. It's not because of PJ make them pass, my love. Because I'm a PJ Patterson excellence. You pick your grade from grade 9 and can't read and write.
Yeah, you are
that was straight to the wholesale when they left school. There was no job for them.
We see Pembroke Hall have Pitney at grade 7 reading now at first grade level. Under Andrew Michael Owens.
Let me ask you a question.
Edward Siaga High.
You know.
The amount of student passing.
Listen to the question. Listen to the answer to that. Are those Andrew children?
Munchi, you're ridiculous. I can't get talked to. You're dumb.
Are those Andrew children?
Ridiculous. You're ridiculous.
You come tell me Pembroke Hall read at grade 5 level. Are those Andrew children?
Those are failures in the system.
Because the PNP bring the system to 0. So we have to build it back from the ground up. And the Percival picked their grade from 9th grade school and then cannot read and write. What you expect? And the PNP excellent.
Where you want
to it was Andrew Owens who take bulla and milk out of school excellent. What is in bulla and milk?
Where you one of those?
Pure sugar.
Where you one of those?
Pure sugar. Let's talk about that.
Munchi, you're not even worthy of this.
But excellent, I am telling you what happened under Percival.
No,
you said your answer, yeah, cost me. Well, you guys have to be personal, excellent.
Your opinion, we want data
but
to
why
show.
you guys have to be personal when you're talking to Munchi? Be just challenge with the facts. Come on,
But Munchi, data? Where
am I lying? Excellence.
Where is the data to show that you say
excellence? Am I lying? Did PJ and all right, here's a simple question.
Talking to. Honestly.
Here's a simple question. Did PJ and Omar give the children their bread? And see, in can't talk. All he want to do is cuss me. All the comrade want to do when me tell him the reality of Percival, then cuss me. Did Percival not give the children them and milk, pure sugar? Did Percival not leave the big black tank them for the children and drink water from full of mole, comrades? Am I lying? Did Percival not have whole heap of pit toilet in the school and did not change over in the school, comrades? Am I lying, comrades? Am I lying? Am I telling a lie on the Prime Minister, comrade? Come on. Why when me drop the story upon uno come and tell me about me this and me that? You guys don't have to be personal. Just challenge me on the facts. And that Percival, Noel, James Patterson, when poor people pick the left school at 9th grade, comrade, they have to go straight to the farm or straight to the wholesale or straight to load bus. There was absolutely no opportunities for poor people picnic, and that is the fact. Won't I get upset for? Another comrade come, because excellent couldn't manage. Any other comrade? Any other comrade? I think God, the comrade they don't like when me lick Percival. They don't like it, Bertie. They don't like it. I'm not going to talk about me personal. You don't have to get personal, comrade. Just say to me, say, Munchi, this is the amount of school of Percival remove the rusty iron tank them. Not one. It was when Bruce Golding come in at power. Bruce Golding said, no, these rusty tanks at school need to be discarded because they're not safe for children to drink. It was when Bruce Golding come in at power. Bruce Golding said, we need to go and get rid of these pit latrines that the PNP left poor people, children to use. What are the PNP complaining about? I talk about you're in line of Marjorie, so when Ima got 6th form, he don't pay a school fee. Me never said him, I said under Percival, Noel, James Patterson, we had to pay school fee. If him never have to pay because he gets scholarship, that's fine. I'm talking about the general public, comrade. Any more comrade? Any more comrade want to come? Any more comrade? Because I want to give you guys the opportunity to redeem yourselves. Because I told you guys that when you come on my platform, oh, so my friend, make we talk. You come here, make we talk. Oh my God, so my comrade, brother, I'm him hard as I get along good. Come here, brethren. Make we talk, what go on? Church brother, when there, you know, comment. And me send him the request. And my brethren, you know.
Munchie.
Blessed Sunday evening, my brother.
Hold on. I'm not in the mood to talk. I'm not in the frame of mind to talk because my mom died.
Oh my.
So,
no.
What happened to you now, Munchie?
Oh no, my deepest condolences, my brother.
Thank you. I heard that I heard that your party is in trouble and people blaming you.
I'm so sorry to hear about your mother. Let me tell you something. Jeffrey. It's like in the Republican Party in America where Donald Trump talk and no dog back. Same thing with the Labour Party. That
should not be though.
But that's how it is. Andrew Holness. That is it.
That should not be though. That should not.
That's how it is.
It should be a party wherein, just like when Eddie was in there and Buster was in there, people could be free to talk.
That's why demonize him and make him win the election. We not fall for that.
Here I know.
Holness is the dad in the party. When he talk, no dog back. Understand?
Yeah, hear you.
Yeah, man.
So I go on Munchie girl, you good?
And that me I say, you know what, Jeffrey? Me see one video with you around up and down. I say, talk about corruption. But more often, if you know, see the Gleaner report about the 12 dialysis machine that is at Jack then. You know, see that article in Gleaner?
When it came, because I didn't see it, honestly.
About a month ago, the Gleaner did a very, very detailed story about 12 dialysis machine that was purchased by university, hospital, paid for by Jack then, and then shipped to Jamaica, tax exempt, and then brought to Linjo Road at Jack then. You didn't see that?
I'm going to be honest with you, Munchie. Because of my mom's sickness and everything, I wasn't looking in the paper, to be honest. I come on my program sometimes, but I don't look in the paper. I'm going to go back and look at it.
All right, you can look on that, and then I hope you see you speak on it because you say you don't like the corruption. So
I will.
That is blatant corruption. And another thing, aren't you concerned about the Melissa? Are you concerned about the hurricane donation that the PNP collected on behalf of the people of Jamaica? We don't hear nothing about it. We don't know who spent.
Let me be honest with you, and I'm being honest, truthful. Yes. I am not aware of it. If I'm aware of it, I will come out and speak about it. I'm not aware of it. As I said before, I've been concentrating on my mother because of the sickness she had. So some of the stuff I haven't heard.
Okay, all right.
I'm being honest and truthful with you. If I hear more about it, I will come out and talk about it and ask about it. I'm not afraid to ask nobody about it.
All right, I hope you do a little research.
I will.
And you can hear about it because we don't understand who advocate for.
Here I know.
The people that are advocating for transparency and accountability in Jamaica. I don't know when it comes to the People's National Party. I totally shut. You hear about Rosie, but you don't hear about nothing else. How convenient, eh?
No. As I said to you before, I wasn't paying attention. You know how I hear about Rosie? Is somebody from your camp call me about it. Somebody from the Labour Party communication group called me and said to me, "You hear they're going over Labour Party?"
Oh, well, not going over Labour Party.
I wasn't aware of it.
I want done in a Labour Party and
Andrew's the only done all the rest are done advance.
All right, so all the rest